Let's deal with some exponential equations. First of all, what is an exponential equation? That's anything that has, say, something with a form b to the x equal to, say, some other value like t. So we're trying to solve for maybe any one of these variables. And that's it. That's just to give you the basic form of an exponential equation. You guys have dealt with these in the past. And that's the functional form of any exponential equation. So we could graph that knowing A and B. All right, so first of all, though, we want to actually play with the mathematics around solving some of these types of problems. So let's just go by example. This is example 4. These are kind of fun. You have to look at 3 to the x plus 2, and that's being equal to 27. So at first glance, and this is A, at first glance, it's like that there, what the heck's going on here? Well, there's this really simple rule, and that says this. If you have common base, and you have a common base like b to the x equal to b to the m, you can actually say that x would equal m. That means this. If I can rewrite 27 as a power of 3, to the third, that allows me then to use this rule to say, oh, well, then x plus 2 is equal to 3. Corresponding exponents. So really basic, then we know that x would have to equal 1 there by subtracting 2 from both sides. Okay, let's look at B. Very similar, a little bit more involved, I would say, not extremely, but B says, all right, let's take 4 to the 2x plus 1, and that's equal to 8 to the x plus 2. So stop and think for a minute. Both of these numbers, 4 and 8, have a common base that you could raise to an exponent. You guys that are saying, oh, the common base is 4, no, try again. It would actually be 2. Now, because 4 is being raised to the 2x plus 1, if I rewrite 4 into 2 to the something, that's 2 to the second power, that's going to be wrapped around and multiplied with this 2x plus 1. Hey, 8's the same thing as 2 cubed. So similarly, we're going to go 3 times the quantity x plus 2 on top. And now that allows me to apply the rule yet again to be able to solve this for x by saying that I'm going to go ahead and distribute this, 4x plus 2. This is the top first exponent, equal to 3x plus 6. Standard basic equation to solve there to find out then that x is equal to 4. So rewriting our common bases, making them common to be able to solve these. Hey, I'm going to show you one more. This is a bit of a challenge one. This is coming from the exercise 9C. I like this one. I'm just going to help you get set up and started. This is, I believe, question I, and it's going like this. 1/5 to the x is equal to 25. So again, at first glance, it looks like, well, there's nothing there. But they both have this common base of 5. So remember, 5 to the negative 1 is the same thing as 1/5. That's times the exponent of x already there. And then 5 squared. And I'll let you solve it from there. All right, kids, have fun with that. See you guys in the next video. We're almost done.